So I've really been trying to find a spot out here to talk to. I had to keep the video really simple this week because I had all of these plans. So I'm just gonna go for a walk in the park and have you come along with me. There are so many beautiful flowers here, as you can tell, and I wanted you to enjoy spring with me. So I wanted to just talk a little bit about contentment and social media and just how hard it is, I think, for us to be content with our homes, our families, and our ways of life when looking to the internet all the time. And something that helps me with the social media issues is obviously talking about it, but also realizing that my identity and my contentment are in Jesus, not in how many likes, how many follows, how many people like me, but glorifying God in everything that I do. So anyways, I would love to hear about how your week is going, how you are navigating contentment and gratitude and Thanksgiving in these times. So God's blessings on the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. So on my walk, I made a gratitude bouquet, and the colors are yellow, white, pink, and purple. And I just encourage you to find ways to symbolize and represent gratitude in your life.